Senor Burro is in the house today. He's getting the axles out here on the tracker. Little slide hammer fun time. And then he's going to go in there and take out those seals. And he's going to take out the inner seals too, right? Yeah. Once the third member's out. But there's one axle. Not bad. Little slide hammer action and away we go. Easy of the peasy, eh? Mm-hmm. Ooh. Are you gonna pull out, big boy?
I never pull out, but this is a special occasion. And look at that taper.
Look at that. That's wild.
That's ready for Xander. Xander gets to go in training today.
Xander.
No, I'm good. We're gonna hopefully have to decline the
Free pegging with purchase of axle seal job. All right, Mr. Senor Burro.
No guarantees this thing's coming out the first try.
Got the other axle out. Let me get down here with you. Oh, he's gonna pull. It stinks like rear end oil down here. Shot.
No,
Yummy, 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 yummy.
Ooh. God, I hate
Silicone third members. Dude, you're moving the car.
Hey, get me that fucking floor jack. It's right here.
It's right there. You got it. Did you just shit your pants on camera?
I know, right? How am I gonna do this?
You're gonna stick it in deep.
why what?
Oh, Donkey's working on cleaning that area back there. He's working on relocating it to the wall. It'll be good. It's gonna be in the same region, so it'll be okay.
Fucking question me.
All right. Are you jacking off under the tracker?
Dude, look at my legs. I've had to do this a few times.
When people question why mechanics say they don't have to go to the gym.
Because I work out at home. And I mean that literally.
I know.
It's coming. Nope, now we're just pulling the housing with it.
Yeah, the housing was just pivoting. Alright, so I think you're going to need to get like...
Hammer and a pry bar.
Yep.
Here, the jacker off. I need to...
Now Xander's jacking Donkey off.
Keep going.
This is... You could sell tickets for this.
Alright, a little bit.
Jack him harder, big boy.
What the fuck?
Yeah, you're pulling the car back.
Stop. Alright, well... Make sure this doesn't fall on me.
That's typical coil.
What happened? Or what's not
Hammer, a pry bar,
It's
and a
just-
screwdriver.
It's just pivoting. Whoa, Xander, why you got your... Oh, he's sitting on me!
Oh, I see. You've had bigger sit on you. What are you worried about?
I definitely have had bigger women bounce on me. Whoa! The camera's moving because Xander's pretending I'm...
Oh, you're videoing.
Yeah. Hi. Oh, God! Is this like... He's touching my boob now. Is this like when he... Stop, you little bitch. Whoa, he's got a wrench. Okay, I'm trying to be serious. Stop! Ow! Holy crap! It hurt more when you got off of me.
Oh, I can go back on.
No, we're good.
I've never heard you say that, Bobby.
What?
Is there... Do you see a notch?
I can see. I just laid in some poo water.
Actually, that plug right there, isn't it?
There.
Oh, look at that.
Bang that. Bang that, big boy.
What happened to the dead blow?
I've had 2 dead blows explode from
Well, you replaced them.
being in the heat. Oh, God, it's...
think I am like on the wrong side of the car.
Yay! The silicone's sticky, but it's not sticky enough to keep it from leaking.
One thing I hated about working at a junkyard was dealing with third members.
This has flavor. All right, so Senor Burrow is gonna keep on keeping on here, and then when the chunk's out, we will get a clip.